Again, you are here again, but I want to take a picture of you. But you're not real. But you are so cute. But you have baby like me, and then my mom just had a baby in her stomach. So I wish we can go to the doctor and then check there's a baby inside, so we can go to the doctor. I really want to always talk about the stories of princesses and crocodiles and sharks and fairies and butterflies and people's cleaning syrup, and then you and all the stories was all it. Now that's enough storybooks, and then we also need you to come to our house if they're gonna hide, cause we want to find you in our house, and also want to come our house. Want to come? You like to come our house? I'm just kidding, you're not real. So I'm not talking to you. Bye. Yeah, bye. See you later. Close your eyes. finally back. So I am tired, so the sun is keep me shiny. Why don't you like sun? I do like sun. I like to wake up and then not sleep. I like just only nighttime, and then I never see that nighttime. You love nighttime, so boop, and then here to 1 minute. Here 1 minute to Micronesia. So we're going to pick up Daddy's thing, and we're bored, and then I'm only bored, and everyone is not bored here. And here are guys. Not a minute. You're not in teleport, and you are so recording, and then you are supposed to be it. You are supposed to be a superhero of the lady of the cats. I mean the bee. I mean the superhero of the Barbie. Superhero stylish of the ones. Uh-oh. Something's happening. You're in my car, and I'm bored of cars. And I'm so that's my name. Forgot my name. And then you're not stuck in the TV, and then just down below the comment, and then subscribe. I got you, video game. And then subscribe, then watch our channel, and then subscribe our channel. Our channel, and then you down below the videos, our all things down below the videos.